25, and speaking of ingredients, Jesse Miller is back in Studio B with the ingredients to make some ice cream.
That's right. Well, you know, ice cream, real ice cream, is made pretty simply. You just take cream, you know, heavy whipping cream, some half and half, and sugar, and then a flavoring. Okay. Now I didn't have any lilac flavoring so.
for Ann.
She's
like purple ice cream.
I figured chocolate.
I'm sure
chocolate would be okay.
Suffice.
You put strawberries and you can put whatever you want into it.
Right.
In the old days, you know, they would put it in the ice cream maker and they'd crank. And what they were doing was that they'd put salt. They'd pack around ice around it, and then they put salt on it. And we showed before that salt lowers
the temperature.
The temperature so that the ice cream would freeze faster than just using regular ice. Well, we don't have time to do that.
No, in this instantaneous world we live in.
That's right. We're impatient, so we're gonna the exact proportions of cream and half and half, it's usually about 2 to 1. I usually go 1 to 1 just because I don't like that much cream. I'm lactose intolerant anyway.
Okay.
So, and then, you know, a cup of sugar.
Sure.
And there you go. And then you add your flavoring, or you can flavor it if you want. Go ahead and add some chocolate.
How much you want?
I don't know. Till it looks good. That'll be good enough.
Now, the girls make their coffee in the morning by color, not by taste.
That's right.
Oh, that's about the right color.
That's
there
right.
you go. That's
okay, so here's the ice cream, but that's not very...
it looks more like chocolate milk.
Yeah, that's right.
Do we have liquid nitrogen here?
That's right. Why don't you go ahead and add the liquid nitrogen
just
a little bit at a time, and I'll stir this up here. And the liquid nitrogen is like minus 200 degrees Celsius. And it'll freeze this pretty quick. All right, just wait a minute here. It's going to foam up here a little bit. And I know this is the fun part, right? Waiting.
Stirring. Well, you know, Tom Petty said waiting's the hardest part, right?
That's right. That's right. Okay, go ahead and add some more. We'll try to get this done as quickly as we can without making a big mess. Anyway, it turns out that this is the same way that they make... Yeah, I know. This is the same way... foams up a little bit. This is the same way they make Dippin' Dots. Well, sort of. Instead of adding liquid nitrogen to the ice cream to freeze it, what they do is they drop the ice cream into the liquid nitrogen, and it forms those little balls.
Those little crystals.
And it basically freeze-dries the outside of it, which is why they don't melt so quickly. And this is going to be... Yeah, we're going to need some more.
Okay.
Hopefully we'll be able to get this done here in time for us to eat it.
If we share with the producers, we're just making a big mess, Jesse. We share with the producers, they won't mind if we go over on time. It's okay.
All right. Yeah, we get a little foam up here. I probably should have used a bigger container.
Yeah, but it wouldn't be as much fun. And, you know, people at home probably can't really do this, can't get a hold of liquid nitrogen.
Well, you can get liquid nitrogen if you know the right people.
Right.
Yeah, I mean, of course, I have the lab. You can get some welding supply companies, like Gano Welding down in Charleston, they sell liquid nitrogen if you have a container.
Okay.
That's usually the hard part, is having the right type of container to put it in. You know, if you know people in hospitals, sometimes it's starting to thicken up here.
Awesome.
You can get... Jennifer, you want to stir?
Sure.
All right.
That just looks interesting.
But, you know, it may look kind of goofy or weird, but there's...
It is getting...
It's not going to hurt you a bit to eat this.
Oh, no. Actually, the liquid nitrogen, the cool thing about it...
Cold hand.
Yeah. The cool thing about liquid nitrogen, using it this way, is that it just evaporates and goes away.
Oh,
and
cool.
Nitrogen, of course, isn't toxic.
Sure.
It's 80% of the air, is nitrogen.
Krista says we have about a minute left.
We'll get it done in a minute.
It feels like the consistency of, like, cake batter right now.
Right now, yep. And then real fast, it's going to thicken up on you, and then we'll see how strong your muscles are.
There you go.
Oh, my muscles are
strong. Get your
strong.
forearm workout in right now, Jen.
Woohoo!
Whoops, sorry.
It's okay.
Is that cold on your toes?
It's okay. My pants needed to be frozen this morning, I guess. Oh, yeah, it's definitely getting...
Now we're starting to thicken up.
One more. And say, I wish you would have made vanilla. I hate chocolate.
Oh, I'm sorry.
But it's okay.
I was sitting there going, well, most people like chocolate. So.
I'm odd.
Although I'm a vanilla person myself,
too. More than one reason.
When we do these for the schools, we usually make 3 batches, and we'll do 1 vanilla, 1 chocolate, and 1 strawberry.
This is really cool. This is some good video. Look at that. That's really... We're like mad scientists in here, concocting some chocolate ice cream.
It's getting thick.
You getting tired, JK? You need some help?
I'm good.
All right.
All right.
Okay, yeah, that's solid.
A little bit more. All right, is it thick enough? Oh,
right up my sleeve.
Is it thick enough? Oh, it looks...
Yeah.
There we go. Yes.
Here you go.
We get a little...
I'm not going to feed it to you. You can try it.
No, don't you dare.
It's probably pretty cold, huh?
There's like... Same, well, actually a little bit warmer than what you would expect ice cream to be.
Well, if we went longer, it would be a little bit thicker.
It's good.
All right, Jesse, well, thanks for making ice cream this morning.
Oh, it's no problem.
Appreciate your time. All right, do you want to see a replay of this segment or watch how to make this ice cream again? Just go to our website, IllinoisHomepage.net. Look on the morning show, look under Chemist Corner. We'll be right back.